Hi, I'm Aki. Welcome to my channel.
Hi everyone, how are you? Today I want to review the latest embroidered Lady D-Lite bag.
Ta-da! Isn't she pretty? Can't sing. But isn't she pretty though?
Christian Dior actually had a very similar one last year that looked like this, but it all sold out very quickly in New Zealand. And then they brought in this one a couple weeks ago, and you guessed it, sells like hotcake. This one, in fact, is the last one they had in store.
Mine!
I really want to share this with you because I think this could be a good piece to have in your styling wardrobe. In this video, I'll break down everything about this beautiful bag, including the size, the pricing, what I love about this bag, why I said it's a good piece to have, and how I would style it. Number one, what is the name of this bag? This is a medium Lady D-Lite bag, and the style or colorway is called Latte, Multicolor, D-Constellation, Embroidery. Pricing. This beautiful medium Lady D-Lite bag is actually New Zealand dollar 7,900, which converts to US dollar 5,400. And it is the same price as my small Lady Dior bag. This one, they are the same price. This is a medium and this is a small. This is embroidery, this is lambskin. Okay, if you already have a leather Lady Dior bag, this embroidered variation is a good to have to switch around. Also, if you do prefer an embroidery style over block colors, and if you want a bag that fits a bit more, this Lady D-Lite, it's really good value. And if you want more comparison, I have another video comparing 4 other Lady Dior size. You can check it out after this video as well, if you like. Now let's talk about the size and dimension of this bag. I'm gonna read it out in centimeter, 24 centimeter, 20 centimeter, times 11 centimeter for the width. Since this is a medium size, that means it fits more than all the other 4 Lady Dior bags in this video. Again, this is really up to your preference and how much you would like your bag to fit. I personally love the tiniest bag, but there are days that I just need to wake up and realize I need my bag to do something more than just looking pretty. So that's when I will take out one of this. Good to have options and variety, I suppose. Next, I want to talk about what I love about this bag. Number 1, value for bag capacity.
Proud of you.
Again, if you want a Lady Dior bag that fits a bit more, this one. Awesome. So, I pull out my small and I want to show you how much of my daily items can I fit into the small versus the medium. So, let's go. This is glamorous, isn't it? The mask, tissue, cell phone, card holder, hand cream, hand sanitizer, sunblock, this is amazing by the way, lip gloss and lip balm, keys, scrunchie, and sunglasses. So this fits right up to the top without distorting the bag. And then the same amount of things, so that's the inside, so that's the mask, tissue, sunblock, hand sanitizer, hand cream, lipstick and lip balm, keys, card holder, scrunchie, cell phone, and sunglasses. Look, there's still so much space left. You can even bring your straps along with you. So this bag is amazing value for its capacity. Oh my god, I'm so Asian.
Give me value. Where's the value?
Number 2, the strap. This bag comes with a beautiful embroidered shoulder strap that is removable and also reversible. Look, this is one side and this is another side. Oh my god, do you know how much a strap like this would cost? Between 1,000 to 1,700 US dollar.
Value!
Number 3, it's more versatile than you think. I always thought a bag like this is for girly girls, especially with the embroidery and floral. If I see one of this in a shop back in the day, I'll be like,
Max.
And I'm not the most feminine or sophisticated or ladylike woman in the world. Anyway, I have come a long way. So now I want to show you a few ways I would style this beautiful embroidered Lady D-Lite bag. So let's kickstart the styling session with this black and white outfit. If you have any plain colored outfit and you need something to zhuzh up the whole look, you can always count on this beautiful Lady D-Lite. Ta-da! See what I mean? Like, very simple outfit with an edge. Blue and another blue accent. And I also think this bag is amazing to neutralize any masculine or any outfit that is too casual. This thing will just balance everything out. I'll show you what I mean though. Now I want to put on a very casual outfit and then I'll show you the magic. Okay, casual look. I'm gonna start off with this Saint Laurent t-shirt, denim skirt, and then I'm gonna spice the look up with some accessories. These Balenciaga knife pumps, sharp as knife. So that's what it looks like. Ta-da! And then we got an outfit. See what I mean by it just spice up the whole casual look? Oh, this will work in the colder days where you layer this up with a coat as well. I'll show you what I mean. This coat is from COS and I'm just layer it over this casual look. And then the bag. Ta-da! See, still works and looks even better. And now I want to show you how I tone down a masculine look with the Lady D-Lite bag. Okay, so this is just a very old Zara suit. I think you have seen it on my other videos already, but I like to rewear my outfit because beautiful things are meant to be worn more than once, right? So, the Zara suit. Let's go with sneakers for this one. Just a combination of a little bit of brown, a little bit of white, a little bit of purple, small touch of yellow right here. Just some multicolor, comfortable pairs of sneakers I like to wear sometimes. So that's the look. And this just softens this whole masculine look. Like, very tomboy. Soften a little bit. And I want to try to strap this and see that looks better. I think I like this side. That works, eh? Do you like it with the strap or without strap? And lastly, I want to style this bag with a colored dress. I know it would work with a black or white dress, but I want to style this with a colored dress and see if that will still work. Challenge accepted. Oh, hi! So this beautiful orange dress is from an Australian brand called Husk. I want to pick something apart from blue just so I can see what other color will work, and I think this is amazing. Shoes, white or blue? White or blue? Oh, I think I love this color pairing. Oh yeah! Ta-da! I'm ready for an afternoon tea. Who's taking me out? Conclusion, safe to say that this embroidered Lady D-Lite bag is very versatile. Do you agree? So that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this video or find it helpful or fun. If you're seriously considering buying this bag, I advise you to be quick because it's gonna be gone real soon. For me, this is a very timeless bag. It is very versatile, and I think you can get many wears out of this. Before you move on, if you can, please subscribe to my channel. That would be lovely. I'm very new on YouTube, so your support will mean so much to me. Thank you so much, and hopefully I will see you on my next video. Ciao!